channel. In this video, I'll show you how to verify website ownership in Google Search Console in 2026. Website verification is required before you can access your site's search data, submit sitemaps, or request indexing. First, sign in to Google Search Console and select the website you want to verify. If you haven't added your website yet, add it first and click Continue ***. Google will display several verification methods. If you selected the *domain ** property, you'll need to verify ownership using a DNS TXT record. Copy the TXT record provided by Google, then log in to your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Open your DNS settings, add a new TXT record, paste the value from Google, save the changes, and wait a few minutes for the DNS to update. Then return to Google Search Console and click ** verify **. If you're using the ** URL prefix * property, you'll have more verification options. You can upload an HTML verification file to your website, add an HTML meta tag to your homepage, verify through Google Analytics, or use Google Tag Manager if it's already installed on your site. After Google confirms the verification, you'll see a success message, and your website will be added to your Search Console account. You can now access search performance reports, submit XML sitemaps, monitor indexing status, fix crawl errors, and optimize your website for better visibility in Google search. If the verification fails, double-check that the verification method was completed correctly. For DNS verification, remember that DNS changes can sometimes take a little longer to update. Once everything is correct, click * verify again. That's it. You've successfully verified your website ownership in Google Search Console. In the next video, I'll show you how to submit a sitemap to Google Search Console step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,